As part of the Fit India School Week program 2020, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has organized various programs. We are really fortunate to have with us Dr. Vijayalakshmi Madam, Additional Commissioner Academics, KVS Headquarters, New Delhi. Madam, please.
Many greetings to all the KVS family members. Today we are all passing through tough times of COVID pandemic. But I am happy that all our scholastic as well as co-scholastic activities are going on smoothly and continuously with the undaunted spirit of our teachers and students and of course support from parents. The impetus KVS gives to sports and physical activities is well known. The physical fitness programs assume immense significance in these testing times where our children are not coming to schools and are restricted to the four walls of their houses. As we are aware, physical fitness activities will not only ensure fitness but also bring cheer to their hearts. Unfortunately, this year we were not able to organize the sports and games activities that we normally organize at various levels every year. However, it is heartening that we are all gearing up for the second edition of the Fit India Week celebrations now. I am sure these activities will go a long way in enhancing the spirits of our young minds and improving their fitness. I hereby call upon all of you and particularly our students to actively participate in the Fit India School Week program and reap the benefits. All the best. I shall strive to be
I shall strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall respect
I shall respect
my parents,
my parents,
teachers,
teachers.
पहले बेसिक एक्सरसाइज जब भी हम कोई योगा या कोई आसन करते हैं तो उससे शुरुआत में हम थोड़ी सी अपने शरीर के एक्सरसाइज करते हैं जिससे कि हमारा शरीर लचीला हो सके और कोई भी मूवमेंट हम अच्छी तरह से कर सकें। सबसे पहले आप हाथों को आगे लेके आएँ और हाथों के पंजों घुमाते हुए जाएँ। ये बेसिक एक्सरसाइज है और जब हाथ अगर राइट टू लेफ्ट घुमाया है तो फिर लेफ्ट टू राइट करिए उसको बेटा। अब ऐसे कंधे पे ये हाथ रखिए, इसको धीमे धीमे और सारा प्रोसेस स्लो होगा क्योंकि ये योगिक एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, इसमें हर प्रोसेस स्लो होगा। स्लो
सर बाबूजी से कुछ
बाबूजी अभी टेंशन नहीं।
शैलजा मैम के पास होगा।
अगर आपने फॉरवर्ड किया है पहले तो फिर बैकवर्ड, और अगर पहले बैकवर्ड किया तो फिर फॉरवर्ड।
एक कागज चिपका दो सिर्फ।
अब हाथ को नीचे लेके आए, कमर पे हाथ रखें और स्लोली दोनों पंजों में थोड़ा सा गैप करें।
अभी ज्वाइन कर लो पहले सब, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास, ठीक है। गुड मॉर्निंग।
धीरे धीरे करना।
अब स्लोली स्लोली आगे की तरफ फॉरवर्ड बेंड कीजिए।
गुड मॉर्निंग। कहाँ है?
जब आगे बेंड करेंगे तो सांस छोड़ना है और जब ऊपर की तरफ आएंगे तो सांस लेना है। अब पीछे तरफ जा रहे हैं तो सांस छोड़ते हुए जाना है। अब पंजों की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे हम थोड़ी सी। स्लोली स्लोली एंकल रोटेट कीजिए।
पहले कौन सा पैर? दाएं बाएं बाएं पे।
या अदर साइड। अब दूसरा पैर, अदर साइड। जोन कर दो।
Purpose is the reason you are on this journey. Passion is the torch that lights up your way. Warm wishes to all. As part of the Fit India School Week Celebration 2020, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has organized various quality programs. On this occasion, we are highly honored to have the esteemed presence of Srimati Piya Thakur, our Honorable Joint Commissioner, Academics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Headquarters, New Delhi. Madam, please.
Dear friends, colleagues, students, it is my pride and pleasure to address all of you today in the eve of the second phase of Fit India movement, which was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister last year. If you remember, in his address, he had said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." And I think all of us would agree with this that he said. And it is such a wonderful thing that our Prime Minister emphasized on this, because it is only when you have your health in place that you can attain the goals that you have set for yourself. And it is not even difficult, because fitness is a 0% investment with infinite returns. So this initiative is the need of the hour and will take the country towards a healthier future. The movement aims to encourage all of us to include fitness activities and sports in our daily lives to pave way for a healthy and fit lifestyle. As you know, lifestyle diseases are on the rise in India, and most of these lifestyle diseases like diabetes and hypertension, obesity, are due to the lifestyle choices and the wrong lifestyle choices that we have made. Just a little bit of change in your lifestyle will make a lot of difference. So let's all make up our minds to make this movement a household movement. Talk to your friends, family, to include fitness in their daily routine. And of course, do it yourself too. Because, like I said, a healthier nation is a nation which will progress. So, if you want to work for your country, if you want to contribute to your country, to the nation, to society, to your family, make fitness a part of your daily routine and encourage everyone to do so. All my best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
To be inspired is great, but to get inspired is an honor. Warm greetings to all. As part of the Fit India Week celebrations 2020, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has organized various quality programs. On this occasion, we are highly elated to have with us Sri Ranveer Singh, Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sports, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Headquarters, New Delhi, the binding force behind all the sports activities and the boosting force for all the virtual sports activities. With a bouquet of greetings and gratitude, let us welcome Sir for the address. Sir, please.
Dear Assistant Commissioners, Principals, Teachers, Students and Parents, welcome to third day of Fit India Schools Week celebration, which is going on from 9th December to 16th December. It is well said by our Prime Minister, fitness ki dose आधा घंटा रोज. That is the minimum dose, and you all may have exercise / activities even for more time as per your health and capability. It is well said, healthy mind in healthy body. I believe if the students are physically fit, they will be mentally alert and their achievement level will be better. In the present time, we are dealing with extraordinary situation due to COVID-19 pandemic, and our physical activities are confined to our houses. In order to keep ourselves fit, we need activities which can be done at home and benefit us in terms of our physical well-being. In the Fit India School Week program, the day-wise activities such as yoga, poster making, debates, quizzes, symposium, podcasting, etc. are planned keeping in view the requirement of present situation. The Assistant Commissioner, Principals, Teachers, students and their parents are actively participating and making the Fit India School Week celebration a success. I wish all of you very best for today and the days to come. Jai Hind.
The positive thinker sees the invisible, feels the intangible, and achieves the impossible. Warm wishes to all. As part of the Fit India School Week celebrations 2020, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has organized various quality programs. On this occasion, we are extremely happy to have the esteemed presence of Dr. E. Prabhakar, Joint Commissioner, Admin, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Headquarters, New Delhi, to address you. Sir, please.
My dear students, teachers and other KVS employees, it's a great pleasure to speak with you all today on the occasion of Fit India School Week celebration, the second edition of Fit India movement. You all know that Fit India movement is a nationwide campaign that aims for encouraging people to include physical activities and sports in their everyday life. What will happen if you do not have sufficient physical activity in your life? Then you will be adding calories to your body. The body becomes fat, body becomes heavy, lethargy sets in, you lose focus, and finally lead to health problems. Due to this, many people may suffer from diabetics, hypertension, etc. I would like to share a bit of statistics about diabetic cases in India. The Hindu national newspaper reported that India has 77 million diabetic patients, the second largest in the world. In 2017, this number was 72 million, which means in 2 years' time, the number has reached to 4 million, means 40 lakhs of diabetic patients have increased. The Economic Times dated 19th May 2017 has also quoted that the number of diabetic cases may rise to 120 million in next 20 years. Where are we going? The best instrument to keep a check on these type of cases would be the physical activities, exercises and sports. To promote physical activities, we need to take part actively in all activities of Fit India Week celebration. Due to COVID pandemic situation, we are constrained to celebrate Fit India School Week on online. Never mind, even at home, even from home, it is possible to participate due to technology advancement. These physical activities, fitness, yoga, meditation will improve your focus, concentration, and also enhances problem solving capacity. Therefore, I urge all the students, teachers to take actively in the Fit India School Week celebration activities. At the end, I would like to urge all the students, teachers, employees, do not confine your physical activities only during the period of Fit India School Week celebration. You should continue beyond this week celebration also and should become part of your life to keep a sound mind in a sound body. Best of luck.